Hello, today you're looking at a Twin City Fan 1500 CFM half horsepower steel exhaust blower brought to you by Lanco. Unit has a 14-inch and 14-inch inlet and outlet. It does have an aluminum fan blade here at the top, as you can see. Overall dimensions 28 inches long by 18 inches wide by 19 inches high. Weighs roughly 70 pounds. We'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it run. And there you go. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.